How to buy Bitcoin from CoinMama. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin from CoinMama. For this, launch open any web browser and head over to coinmama.com. Once you're here, make sure to sign into your account. After you have been signed in, over here, you want to click on the buy option. Now from this drop-down menu, select your currency. Once you have selected your currency, you want to enter your amount over here. Make sure that you enter the valid amount. As soon as you enter the amount, down below you will have to select Bitcoin. So go ahead and click on this drop down menu and select BTC, which means Bitcoin. Once you have selected Bitcoin, you're going to find the value of Bitcoin over here. Now click on the continue option. Over here you will have to select your payment method. Go ahead and do that. If you select your credit or debit card, on the next page you will have to enter all the information about your credit and debit card. After that, you can continue to the payment. Once the payment has been done, you will be able to successfully buy Bitcoin from CoinMama, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.